Hello YouTube, this is Rolando coming from you. This is the part 2 of Ego. Got LED lights, 56 volt battery, which is in here. You just slide it right in. It's a cover. Your height adjustment. You can stick about 4 of your fingers underneath, almost 5. That's how high it can go. Then you adjust the lever to bring this back and forth how you want it, you know. Now, to be able to have the blades to turn on, this is what you gotta do, because the way it comes, it's all the way pushed in. But as you read that, then you realize you gotta pull it all the way out, clamp it, right? This is your speed adjustment. That's to go, so you can go. So you don't want to be taking off too fast. This right here, you hold that down, then you push your power button. I'm gonna try it again. Oh, my bad. So you push the power button first, then you pull this lever back, and that engages it. Green button letting you know everything's good. So this got the 2 blades on it, self-propelled. Let's try it. Nice and quiet. You want to go a little bit faster? No problem. And I got it on a motion setup. Can't even hear this. It's quieter than a weed eater, I guarantee that part. So I'm gonna set this down lower because it's cutting way too high. Let me do this in the light so we can see better. So this is my part 2 of the video. So let's go to the middle notch. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope this works out for you. Don't see too many videos out about this product. If you have any questions, please ask. Don't forget to subscribe and show me a like. And turn on your bell. Thank you.